Today we will learn to make a factor tree of a number in different ways. Good morning, dear students. I, Parul madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today we are going to continue lesson number 6, Be my multiple and I will be your factor. Let's start. This is a factor tree of 18. In this factor tree, root, that is 18, is placed down, branches are placed upwards and leaves are placed topmost. Children, can you tell multiplication of which two numbers gives 18? 9 twos are gives 18, 3 6 are gives 18 and 1 18s are also gives 18, right? Any other multiplication of two numbers doesn't give 18. So 9 twos are 18, 3 6 are 18 and 1 18s are 18. But remember, ones table cannot be considered in a factor tree method. That is, 1 18s are 18 cannot be considered in a factor tree method. So, two factor trees are possible for 18. One for 9 twos are 18 and another for 3 6 are 18, as shown in the figure. Further, 3 3s are is 9. Any other multiplication of two numbers doesn't give 9. Now children, find any two numbers which when multiplied gives 3. 1 3s are is 3. But remember, ones table is not used in factor tree method. So multiplication of any two numbers doesn't give 3. So with this, 3's are leaves which cannot be divided further. This 2 is also a leaf because it also cannot be divided further. Now consider second tree. Here also 3 is a leaf that cannot be divided further. Why? Because no two numbers when multiplied gives 3. Again remember that ones table cannot be considered in factor tree method. So 1 3s are 3 cannot be considered. Now consider this 6. 2 3s are is 6. So 6 is divided into 2 and 3. 2 and 3 cannot be divided further. So they are leaves of the tree. So these two factor trees are possible for 18. So factors of 18 are the multiplication of all the leaves of the tree. That is, factors of 18 are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 or 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. But it is always better to write the factors in ascending order. So we write factors of 18 as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 in ascending order. Children, Even if you drew two different factor trees for 18, but still factors of 18 will always remain the same. That is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now multiply these factors. We will get again 18 back. See, 2 3s are is 6, 6 3s are is 18. So we got 18. Now we have to draw a factor tree for 24 in different ways. 24 being the root is placed down. Now 12 twos are gives 24, 3 eights are gives 24, 6 fours are also gives 24, and 1 24s are also gives 24. But remember again that in a factor tree method we cannot consider 1 24s are 24 because one's table we cannot use in factor tree method. So only 3 different factor trees can be drawn for 24 using 12 twos are gives 24, second factor tree 3 eights are is 24, and third factor tree 6 fours are is 24 as shown in the figure. Now 3 fours are gives 12. 3 is a leaf since it cannot be further divided. Since no two numbers when multiplied together gives 3. But 4 is not a leaf since 2 twos are gives 4. So 4 is divided into 2 and 2. Now both the 2's are leaves since it cannot be further divided. Since no two numbers when multiplied together gives 2. Again this 2 also is a leaf because it further cannot be divided. So we got our first factor tree. Now let us consider second factor tree of 24. Here 3 is a leaf that cannot be divided further. You know why? Because no two numbers when multiplied together gives 3. Now consider 8. 4 twos are is 8. So 8 is divided into 4 and 2. Now consider this 4. 2 twos are is 4. So 4 is divided into 2 and 2. Now consider these 3 twos. These 3 twos are the leaf. They cannot be divided further. You know why? Because no two numbers when multiplied together gives 2. So we got our second factor tree. Now consider this 6. 2 threes are is 6. So 6 is divided into 2 and 3. Further, this 2 and 3 are the leaves because they cannot be divided further. Now consider this 4. 2 twos are gives 4. So 4 is divided into 2 and 2. Further, these both 2's are the leaves since they cannot be divided further. So we got the third factor tree of 24. So these 3 factor trees are possible for 24. So factors of 24 are the multiplication of all the leaves of that tree. That is, factors of 24 are 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is 1 times 3 and 3 times 2. We get 24. Now here it is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is same again. 1 times 3 and 3 times 2. And here 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. That is same. 3 multiplied by 3 times 2. But it is always better to write the factors in ascending order. So we write the factors of 24 as 3 times 2. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And finally multiplied by 3. Children, even if you draw 3 different factor trees for 24, but still factors of 24 will always remain same. That is, factors of 24 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. For checking whether my answer is right, multiply and see. So 2 2s are is 4, 4 2s are is 8, 8 3s are is 24. So I got 24 back. So my answer is right. Now we have to draw a factor tree for 40 in different ways. 40 being the root is placed down. Now 20 2s are gives 40, 5 8s are gives 40 and 4 10s are gives 40. So 3 different factor trees can be drawn for 40 using 20 2s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 4 10s are 40 as shown in the figure. Now consider this 20. 5 4s are gives 20. So 20 is divided into 5 and 4. 5 cannot be further divided. It is a leaf because no two numbers when multiplied together gives 5. Consider this 4. 2 2s are gives 4. So 4 is divided into 2 and 2. But these both 2's are leaf as they cannot be divided further. So we got one factor tree. Now consider this 5. 5 is a leaf because it cannot be divided further. Now consider this 8. 4 2s gives 8. So it is divided in 4 and 2. Now consider this 4. 2 2s gives 4. So 4 is divided into 2 and 2. These two are the leaves. This 2 is also a leaf because they cannot be further divided. So now we got the second factor tree for 40. Now in the same way, consider this 4. 2 2s gives 4 and 5 2s gives 10. Now 2, 2 and 5, 2. They all are leaves because they cannot be further divided. So the factors of 40 arranged in ascending order are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. To check whether my answer is right, multiply and see. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 5s are 40. So we got 40 again. So my answer is right. So today we learned a factor tree method. Thank you. Hope to meet you in next session now.